Hello, Mr. Berger. This is Jana Hedden, and I'm here showing you my project 5.2 on page 191 of Java. This is my big project for chapter 5. And I was just showing you this first of all. This is the table that I used. I used a 2014 table, and I know it said use last year's, but I was helping somebody, and I wanted ours to be a little bit different. And I wanted her to figure it out without copying from mine. But anyway, mine only has 3 things here on the on this particular file, and I noticed later that there are 4, but this particular one is what I went by, and so it just had the single filers, the married joint filers, and the head of household filers. And I wanted to show you that I was going by, and this is where I've got it from, the taxfoundation.org article, and that's what the website looks like. So that's how come I only have 3 filing statuses. But then we go over to run the program. Okay, first I'm going to show you, okay, this project 5.2 on page 191. I'm getting a scanner in, called it taxes. I'm setting up my F status for the filing status. I'm setting up my tax variable, and then here is my if then about which filing status it is, and it comes out that the filing status for single is 1, the F status equals 1 if it's single, 2 if it's married, and 3 if it's head of household, or it can't be determined. And then here's where we say enter your income, and then this is, if it's single, this is where it comes in at, and there's the income between this and income. Let's see, income is greater than this, and income's less than or equal to this, and the filing status is 1. So there's the ones for the single, there's the ones for the married, filing jointly, and here's the ones for the head of household. And if it doesn't have one of these F status of 1, 2, or 3, then your income tax obligation cannot be determined, and then it prints out the amount of tax you owe is. And for the obligation can't be determined, the taxes comes out 0 because it doesn't know what to determine, so it just comes out to 0. So let's run this. Okay, I'm going to say I am single, and I'm going to say, and it says you are filing single, so I'm going to say my income is $17,500. So the amount of tax I owe is $2,625 because it's the 17,500 times the 0.15, and filing status single. Okay, so I'll clear that out, run it again. This time I'm going to put married, and I'm going to say that our married income, let's see here, 73, I'll say $75,000. So the income on that is $18,750 because it's in this range. Now, on the mini project from the 1913 income tax thing, I did do it, you know, the part, you've got this much, and then you've got at this percent, and then you've got so much at this percent, so much at this percent. I did not do this here. I just went a straight income, but I did do it on the mini project. So let's keep continuing on. Let's do the head of household, and let's do it at the most. Let's just say $500,000. Okay, so it's going to multiply the 500,000 times the 0.396, and the tax year is $198,000, which that's a hefty bill there. Okay, and let's do filing status. I didn't pay attention to the SM, and I'm going to put in a P. Filing status can't be determined. I'm just putting in the number here for my income. Your tax obligation cannot be determined because the filing status can't be determined. So the amount of tax you owe is 0, and because I really can't determine, but you may owe something, but I have no idea. And I guess that's all there. Oh, and that is my video. Thank you very much. Hope you enjoyed it.